Jackies and selector can tune when and David King talk to the please. So make we have to beg and put up on we hands and knees. Artists out the road and beg to no help please. When you get that tune, you fi play the tune. No bother we ain't for no money. Play the tune, no bother each up on our way. Play the tune, bust the tune and make the people let play the tune. Selector, you get that tune. Play the tune, no bother we ain't for no money. Play the tune, no bother each up on our way. Play the tune, bust the tune and make the people let play the tune. It's Jackie when you get a new tune, you fi play.
Big up on yourself, people. You don't know the thing, you don't know what's the New Link there from New Link production. Well, people. You see this artist now, people. Him goes by the name of 3-in-1. I mean, I go say this artist now, people. Because 3-in-1 is 3 man, no people. And a 3 man, them are triplet people. When I say triplet people, 3 brothers, them call themselves 3-in-1 people. And right now, them man are based in a UK people. And the man them team up with an artist named David Luther King people. And I saw them come with this a tune and now play the tune. People are telling us this a tune is one of the biggest tune in England right now. One of the biggest tune in Europe right now. Because with the man them bass girl are saying that they tune people. Alright, now go play some more, then me tell you what they realize. So because people need to listen 3-in-1, another one of people them gone. Yo, listen.
What kind of money you are wait for the play? When you are ready, get paid the play. So tap in and play the tune, my people hear. Yeah, cover them this Jackie and me no like them. When a artist do a tune and give you them, you fi play them. My money them a wait band, so you fi pay them. All when you pay them still not play them. Me say me cross, hungry like mountain. This Jackie take the tune and happy and no play. So we no name, Papi Cartel or Beanie. Give them a hacker tune, them woulda play. This that when you get that tune, you.
Well, people, when I see this color where the man them say, selector now take the money on and now play the tune. Selector now if take the money on if you play the tune. Because what the man them say, them book selector for the dance them already. Selector don't get paid for the dance already. But in the end, selector still want money if you play the song them. Oh my world, oh my precious New Link. It can't work so, but in the end people, the man even not talk flaggers too. Hey, New Link, I want to, but you don't know the thing of people. Me say the man them bad. You understand? A long time people more hear artists like them, a long time I wait for your song like them. Because I tell us 3 brothers, you understand? The man them originally, as I tell you, them are from Portland, Jamaica people, living in England now people. And at this the man them are continue the music and I push the music people. But me I tell us the man them thing up people, the man them quality of music up and yo. John, that's what I tell us saying. You see music there on a different level again. Music is so nice nowadays people and yo, continue listen to this young.
Play the tune, but I wait for no money. Play the tune, but I each up on a wait. Play the tune, bust the tune, make the people let play the tune. Selector when you get a tune. Play the tune, but I wait for no money. Play the tune, but I each up on a wait. Play the tune, bust the tune, make the people let play the tune. Dance all of me, everything me put that fuss. But the business stink like so full of pus. Selector some of them, you don't know who fi trust. You could have been with them, they still nah give you no bus. Selector hold up on the tune and say the tune nah go play. Every move when me make him a turn up in a me way. Me never know what's on the business set up and so we stay. And money them a look before you tune get play. Selector when you get that tune you play till it don't no matter play. Listen it and then you take it put it up no matter wait. And the heart is we send something come to bust the tune up play the tune and play the whole dance. So it's shocking when you get that tune you feel.
I tell you, say 3-in-1 people. 3-in-1. Yo, them brothers and the Balabi roast off. They say, because I tell you, say, the man them thing up. You know what I mean? Selector, you need to play the man them tune. You understand? Need to play the man them tune. This Jackie, you need to play the man them tune. I hear 3-in-1 I telling you people. The 3 brothers them, yo, them 3 man are deep. Yo, me I tell the people, the man them is a blessing. The man them, me not tell no lie. You understand? And David Luther come together with the man them like this one of people and make the thing just shot. The man them just team up and make the thing just rock people and Jano. We can't listen to that song of people and just listen part way now. We have to listen to yo, go listen.
Play the tune, but I wait for no money. Play the tune, but I each up on a wait. Play the tune, bust the tune, make the people them hear the tune. This cocky, you get that tune, you fi play the tune, but I wait for no money. Play the tune, but I each up on a wait. Play the tune, bust the tune, make them hear the tune. Like as when you hear that tune, you fi talk about that tune. Tell the people take it, put the sheriff and the media a million view. We want to see that tune, Mr. Wilford, when you're ready, come with that. and a junior artist in the world, one bossa nova. Social media, me a make you back with on the one, yeah. This your real rapper, rapper, he no pretty out, yeah. Slow flow, when you get it, take it to your tune, yeah. New link, we a make promotion for the song, yeah. When you get that tune, you feel the tune.
New link. Rapper, yo, me name now.
But I wait for no money to play this tune. But I jump on a wait, play this tune. Bust the tune and make the people play this tune. This track, you get a tune, play this tune. But I wait for no money to play this tune. But I jump on a wait, play this tune. Bust the tune and make the people play this tune. Cylinder, you get a tune, play this tune.
Well, people, basically as we can tell you see them three brother here. You see them triplet brother here. You understand people 3-in-1 people out of Portland people now based in England people with this tune and them play the tune people. Remember me can tell you no people you can look out for that song you know so that song I go really hard in the street. You understand me I tell us the selector I go run with that song ya. Vloggers I go run with that song ya. This Jack I go run with that song ya. Everybody I go run with that song ya people because me I tell us say yo the tune have quality and the tune honestly people where the man them say are reality people not joke thing about it. You understand? Even me as a vlogger people and the man them say play the tune people. You know what I mean? We know the thing but we know the thing set people so we have to play the tune. You understand? Selector make sure you don't play 3-in-1 people and you can look out for the original thing. Music video for the sound drop people. You don't know so once on the music video drop new link I go come so boom and show it to people. So right now people this is just the promotion of the thing. So they just look out for the original thing because I tell us a 3-in-1 and David Luther King people with this I wanna play the tune and I'm not normal. So just remember people, play the tune. Everyone go, make sure you do what? Play the tune. Now remember the link I tell you right now, people sit and find it, mix and off just play the last part and play the tune.
No matter wait for no money, play the tune. No matter you jump on a wait, play the tune. Bust the tune and make the people play the tune. Yeah, I David Luther King, alongside.
Yo, look out, play the tune, selectors, this track, everybody, play the tune.